Hello students, I am going continue with the same topic, that is probability. Today we will discuss about the random variable and its probability distribution. Chapter 13, probability. Probability. In probability, today our topic is random variable and its probability distribution. Random variable and its probability distribution. What is random variable? What is random variable? Random variable is a real valued function. Random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of a random experiment. Right? What is random variable? Random variable is a real valued function. Is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of random experiment. For example, suppose a bag contains 3 red ball and 4 green ball. Suppose a bag contains 3 red ball and 4 green ball, and you want to draw 2 balls. You want to draw 2 red balls. You want to draw 2 red balls. Red ball is drawn. Your target is red ball is drawn. Red ball is drawn. Then what is the possible value of this experiment? What is the possible value? The possible value of this experiment, you can draw 0, 1, 2. If you want to draw 2 red ball from this bag, so the possible value of x is called random variable. X is called random variable. The possible value of x 0, 1, 2. It means 0 mean you can say both green. What is the meaning of 0? 0 mean both green, and 1 mean the possibility red green or green red, and 2 mean both red. 2 mean both red. Right? This is the possible value of x. X is a random variable. X means the red ball is drawn. If you want to draw from this bag 2 ball, and both should be red, so there are 3 possibilities. It may be possible that both balls green. It is possibility that one will be red and one will be green, and the third possibility, both balls are red. Right? So this is called random variable of the experiment. And the probability distribution. Probability distribution mean 0, 1, 2, and probability of these random variable. You know that probability of 0, it means both are green ball. That is 4 by 7, and there are 2 ball, and it is the case of with replacement. Then you can say 4 by 7 into 4 by 7, and 1 red, 1 green, that is 4 by 7 into 3 by 7, plus you can say here 3 by 7 into 4 by 7, and both balls are red. It means 3 by 7 into 3 by 7, 3 by 7 into 3 by 7. This is called the probability distribution. It is the case of with replacement. And without replacement, without replacement, x and the probability of x is called random variable. 0, 1, 2. 0 means both balls green. It means you can say 4 by 7 into, that is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 without replacement. When you draw first ball, don't put again in the bag. And 1 will be green and red. The probability of green, that is 4 by 7, and the probability of now red, that is 3 by 6. 3 by 6. And there are two possibilities of this same. You can say 3 by 7 or 4 by 6. Or you can multiply with the 2. And 2 mean both green, both red. Both red, it means 3 by 7 into 2 by 6. This is called the probability distribution. This is called the probability distribution. Correct? This is the example of probability distribution. Again a bag contains 3 red balls and 4 green, and you want to draw 2 balls which is found to be red. Red ball is drawn. So the possible value of x should be 0, 1, 2. 0 means no ball is red. It means both balls green. 1 means 1 is green and 1 is red. So there are two possibilities, red green or green red. And 2 means both balls are red. So this 0, 1, 2 is called a random variable. And in this type of questions there are two cases. Question may be with replacement or maybe without replacement, which is the main point in this topic. If it is the case of with replacement, then the probability of ZZ 4 by 7 into 4 by 7 and here that is the 4 by 7 means probability of Z and 3 by 7 probability of red. Z R plus RZ and the probability of RR. RR means red. It means 3 by 7 into 3 by 7. But here it is the case of without replacement. 0 means nothing red. It means both should be green. 4 by 7 and 3 by 6. 4 by 7, when you draw one ball of the green, don't put in the bag. It means the remaining ball in the bag, that is 3. So 3 by total, and the total ball is 6. 3 by 6. And here the same procedure, RZ plus ZR. This is the probability of Z and this is the probability of R. This is the probability of R and this is the probability of Z. And here both red, 3 by 7, 2 by 7. 2 mean, and don't put red ball again in the bag, so therefore 2 by 6. So this is the concept of random variable and probability distribution. And exercise 13.4. Exercise 13.4. First question, question number 1. State which of the following are not the probability distribution of the random variable. Give reason for your answer. You know that in the first question, the first part, x and p of x, the positive value of x 0, 1, 2 and the probability of x is equal to 0, 0.4, 0.4 and 0.2. In this case, the sum of all these two, 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2, that should be 1. You know that sigma pxi, sigma that should be 1, correct? Sigma pi, you can say the sum of all the probability, of each event in the probability distribution should be equal to 1. If their sum is equal to 1, then this probability distribution is valid. If their sum is equal to 1, then the probability distribution is valid. If their sum is not equal to 1, it means the probability distribution is not valid. Right? Or probability of any event not greater than 1, probability of any event not greater than 1 or not less than 1. Because you know that the probability of event P less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to 0. So now can you tell me second part, the probability distribution is valid or not? It is not valid, because the probability of x is equal to 3 is negative. Because the probability of 3 is negative, therefore it is not valid. But the random variable may be negative or positive. Similarly, you can solve third part of this question. When you add 0.6, 0.1, 0.2, their sum is not equal to 1, therefore it is not probability distribution. And similarly, you can do fourth part. Second question of this exercise: an urn contains 5 red, 2 black ball. Second question: an urn contains 5 red and 2 black ball, and x mean number of black ball. Number of black ball. What are the possible value of x? The possible value of x, when you draw the black ball, the possibility is 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. When you draw two balls, the 0 means nothing is black, both red. R means 1 black and 1 red, and 2 mean both black. So this is the possible value of x. Is x is random variable? Yes, because it is random variable. Because you know that the random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of the random experiment. If domain is the sample space of the random experiment, then you can say it is random variable. Clearly you can see. So this is the solution of question number 2. Similarly, you can solve question number 3. Simple question. Now we solve question number 4. Find the probability distribution of number of head in 2 tosses of a coin. 2 tosses of a coin. X represents number of head. When you toss a coin 2 times, then the possible value of x 0, 1, 2. The probability of x 0 mean TT, both tail, no head. The probability is, that is 1 by 4. You know that when you toss a coin, that is HH, HT, TH and TT. This is the sample space, and the probability, and 0 mean TT. Probability of TT is 1 by 4, and 1 mean these two, 1 head and 1 tail. The probability is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4, and 2 mean both head. It means 1 by 4. Now you can check. Now you can check their sum is 1. This plus this plus this is equal to 1. This plus this plus this is equal to 1. So this is the probability distribution of number of heads, two tosses of a coin. The second part of this question. This is the first part. Second part, that is the number of tail. X represents number of tail. Number of tail is simultaneously tosses of 3 coins. When you throw 3 coins, the total number of sample point in the sample space, you know very well, that is 8. 8. You can write easily HHH, HHT, HT, HT. You can write easily. Simple work. The possible value of X, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. The probability of 0. 0 means no tail. 0 means no tail. HHH. Only all 3 head. It means that is the possible probability is 1 by 8. And 1 mean 1 tail. 1 mean 1 tail. And again THH, HT, H, and that is HHT. 1 tail only. That is 3 by 8. And 2 means 2 tail. TTH, HTT, and THT. That is 3 by 8. And 3 means all 3 tails. TTT, 1 by 8. So this is the probability distribution. This is the probability distribution. Now you can check. You can check this plus this plus this plus this is equal to 1. It means your question is correct. Similarly, you can find the number of hearts in the 4 tosses of a coin. Yeah. In this question number 5, find the probability distribution of number of successes in 2 tosses of a die when a success is defined number greater than 4. In this question, the random variable X number greater than 4. Number greater than 4. X and the probability of X. It means number greater than 4, 0, 1, 2. There are 3 possibilities. 0 means there is no number greater than 4 on both the dice. When a die toss 2 times, then the samples point of this 36. You know very well 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1. You can write. Now can you tell me number greater than 4? It means greater than 4. 0 means no number is greater than 4. It means the possible number of this, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. You can write like this. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, and 4, 2, 4, 3, and 4, 4. Total 16 number. 16 by 36. 16 by 36. And the number greater than 4 only on one part, that is 1, 5, number greater than 4, 1, 6, number greater than 4. You can write all 2, 5, number greater than 4. These all cases. These all cases. Here also 5, 1, number greater than 4, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 like this. 6, 1, 6 2 6 3 6 4, number greater than 4 on in one die. So there are 8 possibility here and 8 possibility here. So 8 8 16 by 36, 16 by 36, and 2 mean number greater than 4 on the both dice. 2 means number greater than 4 on the both dice. That is 5 5, 5 6, and 6 5, and 6 6. It means there are 4 cases. There are 4 cases. 4 by 36. When you add 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 4, 36, 36 by 36, 1. Correct? So this is the solution of this question. This question you can solve by another method. Another method you can solve, because you know that when you throw die or coin, it is the case of with replacement. It is the case of with replacement. So the probability of number greater than 4, number greater than 4, number greater than, when you throw a dice, number greater than 4, that is 5 or 6, that is 2 by 6. You can say 1 by 3. And Q mean number of failure. It means number not greater than 4. Number not greater than 4. That is, you know that 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore 4 by 6, 2 by 3. Clear this point? P mean probability of success. It means the number greater than 4, only 2 possibility, 5 or 6. So 2 by 6. Q mean number of failure. It means number not greater than 4. So therefore 4 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 6, 2 by 3. So with the help of this you can solve this question. Probability of x. 0 mean not number greater than 4. It means this possibility. You can say 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. And 1 means one number greater than 4 and another is not greater than 4. Therefore you can say 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, or you can say 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. This is the possibility here. And next, 2 mean both number greater than 4. Both number greater than 4, this is a probability of success. You can say 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So when you simplify, that is 4 by 9. This is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by 9. And this is 1 by 9. When you simplify 4 4 ja, 4 9 ja, 4 4 ja, 4 9 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 4 9 ja. Both are same. So you can solve this question by both methods. Both methods are valid. Okay. So your homework, try to solve these questions. 13.4 exercise question number 1 to 5. Clear? This is the topic of today. Random variable and probability distribution. Okay, thank you.